What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about how to actually get paid faster within your accounting business. Now, there's a couple different things that we're going to touch up on this point. We're going to go over the current ways that you're probably doing it, as well as ways that I've done it in the past, and different circumstances, because not every situation and not every client is the same. And a prime example of that is I've got clients who are automatically on monthly billing for a monthly recurring task, whether that's doing bookkeeping or doing a sales tax return, or they just have monthly questions and we jump on a 1 hour long Zoom call once a month and they get billed automatically for that Zoom call. But sometimes you have a lot of these one-off projects where maybe you have clients that are one-off questions where they want like a 1 hour analysis, or they need a 1 hour task, maybe like a audit issue that the government is coming after them for, and you got to sit down, review all their books, gather all the documentation that the government is requesting, maybe even sit down with the government's auditor and review your client's paperwork and all of the records on their behalf with that auditor. Obviously, that's something that you're not billing monthly for. Maybe you do have some kind of monthly package where it's like an audit plan, but personally, for me, what I've noticed is clients don't really opt into that until that situation actually comes. I think like 2% of my clients, maybe 4% at the very highest, opt in for that higher end package where it does offer that audit protection. But ultimately, for the most part, I'm going to say 90% of the engagements that I do with clients that are audit, where they're getting audited or something like that happens, it's a one-off billing. And that's just one of the examples. There's a bunch other, like I said, maybe you want to go over their monthly reports, their profit loss statement, or cost per job, and go over with them how to effectively reduce costs and stuff like that. So the way that I used to do it, and the way that I see a lot of other accounting firms do it, and whether you're a CFO firm, accounting firm, bookkeeping, it's the same thing. Even if you run a law firm, this would apply. Like any business, this would apply. The way that I did it was I'd send out that invoice. I would have within my QuickBooks or Xero or automation where they get text reminders every 4 or 5 days saying, hey, friendly reminder to pay this invoice and blah, 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 blah. That does work, but it only works to a certain point. And sometimes what I find is I get paid quicker if I personally call them myself, or shoot them a text, or shoot them over a email. But the only issue with that is now that's taking time away from me to go over billing. Like, for a business owner to spend their time going over billing, tracking billing, going after clients, it's almost the most effective way, but it's at the same time, it's the most wasteful in terms of your time. Like, as a business owner, the way that I see it is you should either be focusing on business operations or acquiring more clients. Now, obviously, there's a lot more inside of that, like managing staff, managing the overall operations. But for the most part, in a nutshell, as a business owner, your entire job is to grow that business, whether it's through systems and building up teams, or getting more business, finding more clients, and signing new deals. So for you to spend all that time is huge negative ROI. But just from my experience, whenever I personally call that client, it's like the business owner is calling you, pay that invoice, and they pay it right now. So it's the most effective, but it wastes a bunch of time. So what I've done is I've been spending quite a bit of time with this, and basically what it does is, in the most simplest put, it's almost like an AI clone, if that makes sense, where I can put in a 5 or 10 minute long recording of myself. And what I did was one of my team's recording calls on Zoom with one of my VAs. I just recorded that Zoom call, and then I uploaded that to my AI software. And basically what that did, took my voice, the different tones that I use, whether I go, and in fact, if we do this, or, well, yeah, that's fine. I mean, you can do that. It gets the different tones out of my voice. And basically what it does is an AI voice clone will call my client and it will sound just like me saying, "Hey John, you've got an invoice that's like 2 weeks overdue now. Just wanted to let you know that we've got to get that processed. We can do e-transfer, check, credit card. Let me know which way works best." Now, what that AI software does, and this is the part where it's such a relieving moment when I finally got it to actually work and be actually effective, is it can process the payment directly on that call. Now, what this does is it takes me completely out of the picture. I don't need to spend any time on it. I don't need to waste my time calling clients. I don't need to keep a sticky note of client A, B, C, D, all the way to Z, people that I need to call and have follow-up. Now, sometimes what I do, whoa, I just spilled all my water. Okay, cool. Now, sometimes what I do is sometimes I'll have a part-time staff in my office for busy season, and what I do is if my staff has a free moment, I'll just have them call and I'll have them send emails. That's not the best use of their time. I'm definitely not paying them like $25 every hour to follow up with those people. So, and at the end of the day, that just takes away from my bottom line. Like if I've got a $3,000 invoice and I've got $1,000 worth of expenses, I'm profiting $2,000. But over a 2-week span, if my client or if my staff spends 3 hours over a 2-week span emailing them, calling them, tracking them, keeping up to date, that's manual tasks. That's 3 hours, so that's $75 that I can take off of my bottom line. Now, if I have that with multiple clients, well, it just adds up. And that's going off of the actual metrics that you can track. This isn't going off of the mental capacity. And what I mean by that is I think about these clients a lot, where I think, oh yeah, John has to pay me $3,000 and Joe needs to pay me $5,000 or whatever my client's name is. I'm not going to say my actual clients, but I'm sure that you get the idea where I need payment and I'm consistently thinking about that. So effectively what this AI software does is takes my exact voice and it automatically calls them. I can set it to call every day until the invoice is paid. I can have it set to call every second day, call once a week, call every Friday at 4 p.m. Like I know for a lot of my clients that are in the trades field, so whether they're carpenters, plumbers, they're in HVAC, those kind of businesses, if I were to call them in the middle of the day, usually doesn't end up all that good because they're on the job, they're managing staff, they've got a bunch of projects that are on the go. In the middle of the day, that's their prime time. They are in go mode. They are not thinking about invoices and they're not thinking about bills. So what I have to do is I now have to call them after hours. The only downside that I saw to that is for me, before hours and after hours, those are my deep session hours where I can really get work done. And if that's getting interrupted by giving people phone calls and keeping up with those account receivables, it's effectively now wasting my time too. And a prime example of that is I would, on some days where I have a lot of work, my phone stopped ringing at 5 o'clock because effectively my business closes at 5 o'clock. So you cannot publicly contact me after 5. Now, if I call a client at 6 looking to collect and they don't pick up, but they call me back at 7, I'm already in my deep state focus. It breaks my deep session. And at the end of the day, what's the point in having a deep work session if you can't get any deep work done? So what I do is I set that AI software to automatically call my client at 6 or 7, and the AI can actually have a full-on conversation with that client, and they can actually process that payment on that phone call with them. Now, I've been running this for a couple of weeks now, and so far it's been perfect. Obviously, there's a couple of hiccups that I'm running into, but I'm still in, I guess you can call it the beta phase of this, and I'm still working out all the tweaks and finding out different ways to make it better. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and go over how I'm collecting payments faster. And I think the way that the solution is with AI, especially nowadays with what's available. Like, if this was 1995, okay, sure, I don't think there was any AI. I think the only AI that we had was like Microsoft computers, or I guess Apple and stuff like that, but that's still manual work. With this AI, it's actually 100% automated. I set it up once and I don't have to effectively worry about it. So what that does is that increases my account receivables, or not increases, but decreases it, and it gets payment through the door a lot quicker without me having to worry about it, think about it, or anything like that. And it's funny because what I originally built this software for was for my leads. Because I get on average between all of my channels, I get about, I'm going to say 3 to 8 leads every day across all of my channels, whether that's social media, paid advertising, or just word of mouth referrals, stuff like that. Across every single one, on average, I get 3 to 8. Some days I get none, but other days I get 10. So on average, it's about 3 to 8 clients or prospects every single day. Now, what I wanted this AI system to do was to nurture all of those prospects and actually follow up with them and build that relationship. That was very tasking for myself to do, because I didn't control when those leads came in. So if I was working on something and someone sent in a inquiry, and on that inquiry it said that they did say $4 million, I drop what I'm doing right now and I call that client right now. Because if a client's doing $4 million in sales, to me, what my value package is that's probably about $8,000 to $12,000 depending on the package. So obviously I'm going to stop what I'm doing and I'm going to call them to get that deal going. But at the same time, that takes away from my actual work. So it's a double-edged sword. But with this AI software, it can automatically call them. It can automatically text them. Now, I know that there's a lot of different softwares out there that do it, or that do just that, but I haven't found one that does it for billing. And that's exactly what I've been able to do with this software, is I've now connected it to all of my account receivables, where let's say I set a payment date for, let's say a week. That's typically what I do, is I say you've got to pay this within 5 business days. If that date comes and goes and there's no payment, well, now that trigger gets sent off, and that AI will start to reach out to them, and they can do email, text, or, as I just built it out, phone call. And it's perfect because the phone call isn't like an automated robot. It's your own voice. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and that's what I'm doing now, and that's what I'm going to continue to do in the future. And that's what I think that you should really switch to if you're running some kind of a service-based business, like accounting, bookkeeping, CFO, stuff like that. Obviously, this stuff can be applied to really any business, but I'm not really going to talk up on businesses that I'm either not in or not familiar with. I'll only really discuss business that I'm familiar with, and I actually feel that I have something to say and share. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and give you a quick update on what I'm doing with the software and where it's kind of heading in. If you want to learn more, and if you want to know kind of what I'm doing and try it out for yourself and test it on a couple of clients and see if you get paid faster, then what you can do is you can go on to my Instagram and you can DM me the word AI. And what I'll do is I'll kind of take you through step by step what I've done, the different softwares that I've set up, and how I've connected it to my QuickBooks account, my Xero account, where it tracks all of my invoices and effectively lowers my account receivables and gets me paid a lot quicker. So if you want to learn more about that, what to do is head over to my Instagram account and DM me the word AI, and I'll be happy to walk you through that. But with that being said, you guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.